Changing your Turbo 400 oil pan is easy. I like to start by breaking the bolts loose by hand before I whiz them off. Clean the oil pan thoroughly with mineral spirits or lacquer thinner. You want all old oil removed from the inside and from the gasket seal surface. Use a block of wood and hammer to flatten the bolt holes if they've been bent at all by being over-torqued. Clean the bolts thoroughly. Remove the one bolt holding the transmission filter on and replace the filter with a new one. After you like and subscribe, wipe the gasket seal surface clean again and make sure no oil leaks onto it before reinstalling the oil pan with a new gasket. I thread all the bolts by hand as much as I can before torquing any of them down. It's a good idea to torque them in a star pattern when you get to that point. Be sure to look up the torque spec. You don't want to over tighten them, as that would cause warping of the seal surface and the gasket wouldn't seal properly. Refill your ATF until it shows full on the stick. It's a good idea to cycle the transmission through its range and recheck the fluid level after. My refill took about 5.5 quarts. A lot of people have strong opinions about what fluid to use. I used Castrol Universal ATF with GM on the label. As always, thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.